Welcome to one of my favorite designs, this beautiful black and white kitchen. Hey, my eyes Cleopatra. So this is my kitchen. So I'm really excited to show you guys the finished result. Take a good look at what it looks like now, which is still pretty, but it's not exactly what I wanted and not exactly the vision that I had. So we're gonna update it and edit it more to the ideas that are in my brain right now. Here we are in the kitchen. So we completely changed what was here before. We ripped out the entire kitchen and we even ripped out the corner pantry. I was really excited about the walk-in pantry, but the kitchen is gonna look better without it because now it's gonna be a perfect U shape and perfectly symmetrical on all sides. And I'm a fan of symmetry and everything just matching. So now we're gonna have the island perfectly in the middle and the stove completely aligned to the island with the hood right above. So I'm definitely a little bit upset about the pantry, but also excited about the symmetry that I'm gonna get instead of it. Welcome to one of my favorite designs, this beautiful black and white kitchen. My favorite part about this kitchen is definitely the marble. This marble was very difficult to find and it is imported from Italy, and we call it panda marble because it's black and white, but the cool thing about this marble is it has this green, beautiful, it's like almost like an emerald green touch. Also, all of this kitchen is actually completely custom made. The cabinets, the pools are custom pools, this hardware, and the gold accents. I knew I wanted to add a little bit of gold because that's kind of the new in thing, but also just because I love gold. And I didn't at first know exactly how to add it in, but I decided if we just do a little bit on the cabinets on the inside, that it would really make the kitchen pop. And if you guys saw the beginning of the video, you would see that this kitchen is completely different. Not only did we extend the cabinets all the way to the ceiling, but we also took out the pantry that was in that corner, creating this U-shaped kitchen, which gave the kitchen more space. The other custom piece in this kitchen is the hood. I knew I wanted something black because there was, all the white at the top. I wanted it to be a centerpiece, and obviously I had to add the gold into it. And then the backsplash. I at first wasn't sure about this backsplash. Even as a designer, sometimes you question yourself, but I'm very happy we chose this because I feel like it really gives this kitchen that finished luxury look. So for the black cabinets in the kitchen, I wanted to add a little bit of spice to it. So we wanted to keep the cabinets like a matte finish, but we added a glossy finish to the trim. So this way, on the black cabinets, there's also something going on with that little trim piece, just like on the white cabinets, there's the gold. So the black is black on black, but it's like kind of like a tuxedo look is the name that me and the cabinet maker were giving it. And we also paneled the fridge, so I don't have, you can't really see where the fridge is. I feel like this whole section has that finished look with the paneled fridge. Another cool part of this kitchen is the ceiling. So we got these beautiful spiked crystal chandeliers, and of course, they also have gold in them. We decided to keep that ceiling black to give it more of a contrast, and we created this coffered ceiling, which hangs down in the middle of the kitchen and gives it more of an elegant luxury look. We added a little bit of a gold trim to make it all flow and match together. And the spikes, I think, give it that edgy modern look. So when it came to choosing the hardware, I knew I wanted something gold, and I found these, which were perfect because of the two-tone kitchen. These poles are actually two-tone. They have a polished brass on the top part of the handle, and then there's a brushed brass on the actual handle. So this way, when you do touch it, you don't see like your fingerprints, because on a polished brass you would see fingerprints, but you still get that polished touch on it. So not only are the cabinets two-tone and basically the entire kitchen, but also the kitchen pools. Another favorite part of this kitchen are my bar stools. So they are very modern, very sleek, and they have this touch of fur. It's fake fur, but it still looks great. And it's comfy to sit on, and it looks beautiful underneath this island. Another design that I added into this kitchen was when we raised the cabinets all the way to the ceiling. I knew I wouldn't really use those cabinets as much, so I wanted to get some light, and that's why we did these glass cabinets up there, and we put puck lights inside. The trim in this kitchen is also a custom edition, so we added that trim to the ceiling to give it even more luxurious look. And we kept the trim white even on the black part of the cabinets, just to keep it flowing, kind of give it, like the trim is a separate piece from the rest of the kitchen. So we went with the stainless steel appliances to give the kitchen a little bit of contrast. This is a Jenn-Air range, and then we have the Jenn-Air microwave, oven, and there's a warming oven as well. And my favorite part or favorite appliance in this kitchen is my Miele coffee maker. I honestly didn't believe it when they told me I would never be able to drink another cup of coffee again, but it's 100% true. I absolutely love this thing. I use it every day. And of course, what kind of kitchen is it without a soft close cabinet? Flawless.